Setting up WooCommerce in WordPress involves a series of steps to create an online store efficiently. Here's a concise guide. Install WooCommerce plugin. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins, Add New. Search for WooCommerce, then click Install Now and activate the plugin. Run the Setup Wizard. Upon activation, WooCommerce will prompt you to run the Setup Wizard. Click Run the Setup Wizard to begin. Configure store settings. Follow the wizard steps to configure basic settings such as store location, currency, shipping, and tax options. Set up payment gateways like PayPal or Stripe. Choose your theme. Select a WooCommerce compatible theme for your store's design. Go to Appearance, Themes, and click Add New to explore themes. Add products. Start adding products to your store. Go to Products, Add New to create product listings. Include details like title, description, price, and images. Customize settings. Customize additional settings under WooCommerce Settings. Adjust inventory management, email notifications, checkout options, and more. Test your store. Preview your store and test its functionality. Make test purchases to ensure payment and shipping processes work correctly. Launch your store. Once satisfied, launch your store by promoting it to your audience. Monitor performance and make adjustments based on customer feedback and analytics.